Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Jayanti, your science teacher. Have you completed your all homeworks? I hope you have done your work. Now, we are learning about our teeth. In that, what are the topics we have completed? Yes, parts of tooth, types of teeth, and functions of teeth. Let's take a small recap on it. First, parts of tooth. What are the parts? Crown, enamel, dentine, pulp and root. Crown is a visible part of tooth and root is not visible. Crown has three parts: enamel, dentine and pulp. Enamel protects roots of the teeth. Dentine is below the enamel and it is a bone. Pulp is very soft and full of nerves and blood vessels. Next, types of teeth and their functions. What are the types we learned? I hope you remember all the things. First one is incisor. Incisor is sharp. There are 8 incisors in a permanent set. What is the function of incisor? Yes, incisor used to bite and cut the food. Next, canine. Canine is sharp and pointed. There are 4 canines in our mouth. Canine is to hold and tear the food. Next, premolar. Premolars are broad and flat. There are 8 premolars in a permanent set. Premolars used to chew the food. And finally, molars. Molars are broader and flatter than premolars. There are 12 molars in a permanent set. Molars are used to chew and grind the food. Totally we have 32 teeth in the permanent set. These are the topics we discussed already in this blog. Are you ready to start today's topic? That's good. Let us find ways to take care of our teeth. Now tell me, why do we brush our teeth? Why is it important to brush your teeth every day? Yes, we brush our teeth every day to clean them from germs. How many times during a day do you brush your teeth? Many of people brush their teeth only once a day, but it's not good. We should brush our teeth at least twice a day. So, why do we brush our teeth every day? We brush our teeth to remove any food stuck or clean them from germs. What will happen if we don't take care of our teeth? Yes, it leads to loss of teeth and cause various dental problems. If we don't take care of our teeth, it can lead to various dental problems and may result in permanent loss of teeth. Okay, tell me, how do you take care of your teeth? Come on, let us find ways to take care of our teeth. Today our aim is to identify ways to take care of teeth. Next, keywords of today's topic. First one is plaque. Plaque is a sticky yellow layer on a tooth. The second keyword is cavity. Cavity is a hollow space in a tooth which is decayed. Now open your workbook at page 20. Put the video in pause and observe the pictures. Think what has happened to the teeth. After that, write the answers for the questions A and B. How do the teeth look? And what could be the reasons for the teeth to be in this condition? I hope you have done. Let us discuss. How do the teeth look? What is the differences between the two pictures? Yes, in picture A, the teeth have a yellow layer on them. And in picture B, there are some damages in the teeth. A yellow layer on teeth is called plaque. And some damages in the teeth is called cavity. The next question is, what could be the reasons for this condition? Can you tell me what can be the possible causes for the teeth to be damaged? Yes, while not brushed properly, the teeth causes some dental problems. So the possible causes are that the teeth were not being brushed properly and regularly. Next, what is cavity in a tooth? Let me say, cavities are permanently damaged areas in the hard surface of your teeth that develop into tiny holes. It also called tooth decay or caries. Cavity can damage the entire tooth. Next, what is plaque? Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that constantly forms on teeth. Bacteria in plaque produce acids after you eat or drink. These acids can destroy tooth enamel and cause cavities. What should we do to avoid our teeth from having cavity or plaque? What are the ways to take care of our teeth? Come on, let's discuss the ways to take care of our teeth. First one is, we should use a soft bristle toothbrush to brush our teeth. Next, we should brush our teeth at least twice a day. We should brush all our teeth and not just the front ones. We should rinse our mouth after every meal. We can also use floss to clean our teeth. Floss is a smooth thread made of silky material used to clean teeth. A tongue cleaner can be used to clean our tongue. What are the ways to take care of our teeth? Brush regularly. Brush in all directions. Change toothbrush regularly. Use tongue cleaner to clean tongue. Use floss. And rinse our mouth after every meal. These are the ways to take care of our teeth. Next, hearts question. What did people use to clean teeth before the brush invented? What did people use to clean teeth before the brush invented? Have you ever think about brush your teeth without toothbrush? No, but some people brush their teeth without toothbrush. In the days before the brush was invented, people used twigs from trees to brush their teeth. The twigs mostly from guava, mango and neem tree. Some people still use it. But the twigs can hurt our gums, so it is not advised to use them. Next, practice questions. First question is, what will happen if we don't care for our teeth? What will happen if we don't care for our teeth? Next question, what problems do old people face when they lose their teeth? What problems do old people face when they lose their teeth? Next, worksheet questions. We have already discussed the answer for the first question. Now the second question is, what should we do to avoid tooth decay? Can you tell me what should we do? Yes, we should take care of our teeth. What are the ways to take care of our teeth? Brush the teeth at least twice in a day. We should brush our teeth in all directions. We should spend at least 2 minutes on brushing our teeth. And we should change our toothbrush every 3 months or it looks worn out. Next question is, Sia has gone on a school trip for 2 days. She forgot to take her toothbrush with her. What can she use instead of a toothbrush to brush her teeth? Let's imagine, in the place of Sia, what do you do? Yes, you can use twigs. Similarly, Sia also can use twigs of tree. Next, bonus question of the day. Today's bonus question is, a sticky yellow layer on a tooth is called dash. A sticky yellow layer on a tooth is called dash. Answer this question in your online exam section. What we learned in today's class? Ways to take care of teeth. Brush at least twice a day. Brush the teeth for at least 2 minutes. Clean the tongue along with the teeth. Use floss to clean between the teeth. Change the toothbrush every 3 months. That's all for today. Do the practice questions and hearts questions in your notebook. Do the worksheet questions in your workbook. After completing your work, get a sign from your parents in the planner. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.